Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to play Clash Royale on your PC. Let's get started. First, open any web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, then search for Google Play Store PC. Then here, click the top result and this takes you to Google Play Games. And here on the page, select Download Beta and wait for the download to finish. And once downloaded, open the File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder and find the installer. Double click it and choose your install location and click Install. Let it complete the setup. When the Google Play Games opens, click Sign in to your Google and after signing in, close any pop-up window and go back to the main game. You can select the username and click Create Profile and agree to the terms and policy so you can continue. And here, click Explore and you might already see a Clash Royale here, but if not, use the search bar and click the game and press Install. And once installed, you can now go and play the Clash Royale and explore the game. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.